Introduction to Heart Health. Hello, and welcome. Today, we're diving into the world of heart health, a topic that touches every single one of us. The heart is an incredible organ, tirelessly beating to keep blood, oxygen, and essential nutrients flowing throughout our bodies. This steady pulse is life's true rhythm, with the heart pumping about 100,000 times a day, moving thousands of gallons of blood through our veins. Heart disease statistics. Despite its importance, the heart is surprisingly vulnerable. Heart disease is the leading cause of death globally, accounting for over 17 million lives lost each year. In the United States, heart disease claims about 1 in every 4 lives. That's 1 person every 36 seconds. These aren't just numbers, they represent families, friends, and communities affected by this silent epidemic. Why prioritize heart health? So, why are we talking about heart health today? The answer is simple. Prioritizing heart health can save lives, including our own. Many types of heart disease are preventable, and by taking action early, we can reduce the risk of heart attacks, strokes, and other cardiovascular conditions. Good heart health doesn't just impact those already at risk, it's relevant to everyone, from young adults to older individuals. After all, a healthy heart contributes to a fuller, more energetic, and longer life. What you'll learn in this discussion, we'll explore a few key areas to empower you with practical knowledge on heart health. Types of cardiovascular diseases. First, we'll talk about the types of cardiovascular diseases. These include coronary artery disease, which restricts blood flow to the heart, heart attacks, which are sudden and life-threatening, stroke, which impacts blood flow to the brain, and arrhythmias, which are irregular heartbeats. Understanding these conditions and their symptoms can be life-saving. Risk factors. Next, we'll look at the risk factors behind heart disease. Many factors like high blood pressure, high cholesterol, smoking, and physical inactivity play a significant role. But here's the good news. Many of these factors are within our control. With small, proactive changes, we can significantly reduce our risk. Healthy lifestyle practices. We'll also discuss healthy lifestyle practices that can make a big difference, like a balanced diet, regular exercise, and effective stress management. By making small changes, we can keep our hearts in the best shape possible and live healthier, more fulfilling lives. Treatment options and seeking help. Lastly, we'll cover the treatments available for those diagnosed with heart conditions, from medications and lifestyle changes to advanced medical procedures. Knowing when to seek help and understanding the treatment options can make a huge difference. Every heartbeat counts. Through this discussion, I hope you'll gain insights that empower you to take action in protecting your heart. Remember, heart disease is often preventable, and by making small, positive choices, we can reduce risks and improve our quality of life. Every heartbeat truly counts, so let's take those steps to prioritize heart health today. Thank you for joining us, and let's get started. For more contents like this, kindly click the subscribe button and the notification bell. Thanks. Anatomy and function of the heart. The heart is an extraordinary muscle, and it serves as the central hub of our circulatory system. Let's take a closer look at its basic structure and how it keeps blood flowing through our bodies. The heart has 4 chambers. The 2 upper chambers are the atria, and the 2 lower chambers are the ventricles. Blood flows into the atria and then down to the ventricles, which pump it out to the body. Each chamber has a specific role, working in a synchronized rhythm to move blood efficiently. Connected to the heart are major blood vessels that carry blood in and out. The aorta is the main artery, carrying oxygen-rich blood from the heart to the rest of the body. The vena cava, on the other hand, brings oxygen-poor blood from the body back to the heart. The pulmonary artery transports blood from the heart to the lungs to pick up oxygen, and the pulmonary veins bring the oxygenated blood back to the heart. This network of vessels enables the heart to circulate blood effectively throughout the body. Inside the heart, we also have valves that regulate blood flow and ensure it moves in the right direction. There are 4 main valves: the mitral, tricuspid, aortic, and pulmonary valves. They open and close like gates, controlling blood flow and preventing backflow. When the valves open, blood flows smoothly between chambers and into the major blood vessels. When they close, they keep the blood moving forward. This is an animation of heartbeat process, systole, and diastole. Now, let's talk about the heartbeat process. The heart beats in 2 main phases, systole and diastole. During systole, the heart contracts, pumping blood out of the ventricles into the arteries. This is when the blood pressure in the arteries is highest. In diastole, the heart relaxes, and blood fills the atria and flows into the ventricles. This cycle repeats with every heartbeat, moving blood through the body in a steady rhythm. The heart also has an electrical system that coordinates its beats. This system starts in a special area called the sinoatrial (SA) node, located in the right atrium. The SA node generates electrical impulses that trigger the atria to contract, pushing blood into the ventricles. From there, the impulse travels to the atrioventricular (AV) node, which signals the ventricles to contract, pumping blood out to the lungs and body. Blood circulation. So, how does blood circulation work overall? Oxygen-poor blood enters the heart through the vena cava into the right atrium, flows to the right ventricle, and then travels to the lungs through the pulmonary artery to pick up oxygen. Oxygen-rich blood then returns to the heart's left atrium, flows to the left ventricle, and is pumped out through the aorta to nourish the entire body. This cycle provides oxygen and nutrients to cells and carries away waste, sustaining life. In conclusion for this segment, in just seconds, the heart circulates blood through this intricate system, making sure every cell in the body gets the oxygen and nutrients it needs. It's truly a marvel of the human body, working 24/7 to keep us alive and thriving. Understanding this process is the first step in appreciating and caring for our heart health. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the anatomy and function of the heart. We hope that it has been a pleasant ride for you. If so, don't forget to click the subscribe button and the notification bell so that you will be notified when we post new contents. Thanks.